tell her exactly what happened here. In minute detail. This.
Explain.
I need to know why.
Look at yourself.
Me? This was my fault. I was the cause. What did I do? Was it the way I walked, my clothes, my hair? So it wasn't here, and I didn't exist. There would be no cause. Is that it? Answer me!
What?
I'm bruised and bleeding, and I'm the cause. This isn't right. Why would I cause my own pain? So what was it then, Terry? You should know you did it. This was all you, not me. So what are you going to tell your girlfriend? My daughter. You're going to tell her that you violated her mother? You're going to tell her what a coward you are? And that you can't look at me. That even at the threat of your violence, I still couldn't help but laugh. How shriveled and tiny.
You best shut your mouth.
Oh, what? You're going to attack me again? Won't be as quick and pathetic as the last time. Shh, baby. You're no man. Just a sad, weak little boy. Stay away from Lisa.